number 0 fuel plate. She's going in. We're going to do it a 0 to 60 and then... Oh, don't drop the phone. That's it for now. Go.
Ready, set, go.
That was totally... I'll do the math when I'm editing because I started it way too soon. 14 seconds or so. I started it like 2 seconds late.
I know I get better. The thing is, I knocked the tires off of it when I started it.
Yeah, right over here. Yeah, that'd do us a lot of good. Or this one too.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
You have
Thanks.
fun. You have fun with that.
Appreciate it.
Okay, but anyways, in this video, we are going to put a number 0 fuel plate in this 9812 valve. This one won't kill us like the other step ladder did while we were changing our oil.
At least it fucking tried, didn't we?
Yeah, ain't no kidding. A little bit of fucking with the screws and stuff, and the stock fuel plate's out. Number 0 fuel plate is going in.
Yeah, that's probably
How long did that take? 2 hours?
longer than that.
Because
I've been out here since 11:40 this morning, almost noon.
Yeah, it's what, 4 now?
Yeah, just
So why did it take us 4 hours? Because someone decided to Loctite it with red Loctite on the screws and bolts and pretty much everything that we had to take out. So that took 4 hours to fight messing up, ruining the heads on the bolts or screws, whichever it was, and then running to the hardware store 3 times. Yes, sir. If anything touches now. Pull it. That came off real easy.
it's because I pushed the button.
Oh, that makes sense.
Hey, hey.
Putting that on.
Grab it.
And we're done. Speaking of which, there it is.
Had a nice sound to it.
Gimme.
It's like Jimmy, I feel like.
Kind of. How much smoke did it put out before?
Very little, if any.
She's gonna chooch. Because it put out a good amount when it started. Oh, let's go. Gotta love the teeth, Cookie Monster teeth. Good old Tome ears. Oh my god! Real quick, do it again.
It started! Holy shit! Oh my god, I fucking love you!
Oh, gotta love it. My 24 valve doesn't even do that. This is bullshit. I can't wait to see this in daylight, man.
Dude, me neither. Really, Clay?
Yeah, you were only going like 45.
I was going 55.
Oh, are you? When we get to that little stop, ooh.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot.
How much pedal was that?
Not any, hardly at all.
Oh, Lord.
But I'm not gonna run it hard until I get it hot.
I might have to get a 12 valve now.
Oh, this is good.
0 plate. Worth the money for fucking sure. Well,
a new clutch there.
I would, with you driving, I wouldn't doubt that. Oh my god. Look at the smoke!
I'm kind kind of scared to lay into it because I don't want to hurt anything.
Well, once you're up the temp, just lay into it once.
Well, I mean clutch. That's what I'm worried about.
If it starts slipping, that's your warning. Let me put it that way. If you don't do it too many times, you're okay. Do it more than like 10 times and you're going to start
That is
screwing shit up.
Scary too.
That's like my truck.
I had some kind of sniff.
You have to remember, I haven't stuck mine on 9 yet, so we don't know what mine is on
right.
9.
No, I'm not talking about that. It's just, oh my god, that's a big change.
Yeah, note to viewers, if you have a 12 valve and you have $40 to spend, buy a 0 plate.
Or do it for free. Either way.
Yeah, or cut it out, but you got to be precise, I think.
No, not really.
Don't trust my word on that though. Yeah, we now have a turbo problem, go figure. So we blew a boost line, figures. It kicked it off. That's the same term though. You hear it every now and then. Blow a boost line.
Well, that makes me happy because I didn't actually break it.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Yeah, these 12 valves with a stock plate are dogs. I now see that they have potential when you stick a 0 plate in them. And of course, this one also has no wastegate now because the vacuum line's been pulled off. So don't spin it over 45 psi because that's what I hear online that the HX35's grenade. But at any rate, I think I'm gonna call it here for tonight. Until then, adios. Jesus.
You can't see the dude on the fucking square. It's just fucking gone. Oh my lord.
Never used to do that, I'll tell you that much. Jesus. Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's... Uh-oh.
How much horsepower is this supposed to give us?
I don't know. That's the problem. It's... Technically, this plate is not rated for this truck. So...
Why?
The number 10 technically is overrated for this truck.
So a guesstimate of like 350 or 400.
Probably.
Obviously a dyno would prove that, but we don't have a dyno on hand because we're poor bastards.